Hey guys, how's it going? So this is my 13.7-inch Sons of Liberty rifle, and I had a Radiant Weapons Talon safety selector in there, and I thought it looked a little too fancy, and I already have this thing in a couple other rifles, so I wanted something different. So I picked up one of these Badger Ordnance C1 safeties, and I'm going to throw it in here and install it. I couldn't find any videos on how to do it, so let's see if we can do this and make a video and teach you guys how to do it. So the tolerances are so tight on these, and with the Cerakote it actually does not fit. So what I got to do is take my Dremel here and just kind of go around this edge real quick. And there we go. Alright, we are back in the basement and got this cleaned up. Now you may not have to do that on yours, it may not be as tight, but on this one I did. Sons of Liberty has some pretty tight tolerances, and I just had to clean it up just a little bit. Alright, so we'll put that there, and then this safety, as you probably know, has roll pins, so we'll have to punch those in, and I'm sure it'll be rock solid once it's in, so we shall see. Also, I did just put something underneath the other side, so that'll keep this in place while I'm hammering in that pin. As per the instructions, I have my little trusty hammer, 1/16 roll pin punch, and then I got the roll pin there, so let's see if we can get this thing knocked in there. All right, very good. All right, got it flipped over, got my cap under there, stabilize it. I am right-handed, so I want the longer one on the left-handed side of the rifle, that way I can flick it down with my thumb. So we're gonna put that in there, and same procedure. This roll pin is tiny, and it can be hard to get in there. But I did notice it does not take a lot of pressure to pound this thing in. You just got to line it up nice and easy. And then it doesn't take a lot of pressure, so just kind of lightly hit it, and it should go right in. Make sure you don't go too far, or you will hit the safety and maybe damage it a little bit. Scuff it up a little bit more. And right about there. Both sides are in. Now we're going to get that grip, throw that grip back on and check it and make sure it works. All right, let's get that grip put back on. All right, there we have the finished product. It's all installed. Sounds good. Sounds rock solid, just like you would assume it would be. Trigger's not going anywhere. I know these are expensive. They're around 80 bucks, but you get what you pay for. I have a Badger mount up here for my Razor, and it's also rock solid, so you get what you pay for. But anyway, that's all. Hopefully you guys liked that video. That's my sump pump going off in the background. So if you did, leave a like, and thanks for watching, guys. Later.